Here in part 2 of my view of contact centres, I'm going to talk about the child's experience, and I want you to picture this. Your child runs into a room that is probably not particularly well decorated, is certainly not designed for the purpose of being a centre, being a child's play space, because tomorrow morning it'll be a meeting room and the day after it potentially will be somebody's office. So it's a versatile space, which means there's not pictures all over the wall, there's not shapes all over the wall, it is what it is. Also in there you will find toys, some toys, not great toys, probably broken toys, because invariably they've been around for a long time. You will also find in there a few tables, a few chairs, but what you'll also find in my experience of contact centres is you will find that the level of cleanliness is not the best. So you will find that if you're a diligent parent who likes your child to be in a clean environment, because that's what you create at home for them, that's not what you're going to get in a contact centre. It's very far from that. And into that environment, you're going to plunge your child with the other parent that they've potentially not seen for 2 weeks or more. My view is that is quite an unnatural space for children to be in, and I'm hesitating to say an unpleasant space for children to be in. But if you're asking your child to do that every 2 weeks, for an hour or for 2 hours with the parent that they are estranged from, I want you to think about it from a child's perspective and think about what does that feel like to the child. And one of the comments that often happens in family court is the child is just not engaging with the parent that they're going to the contact centre with, it's just not working, they come back feeling very distressed, they come back feeling dysregulated, etc. Is that because of their engagement with the parent? Or is that because their engagement with the spouse?